Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the history of one of the most iconic cars ever produced, the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR. The Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR was born out of necessity, a car created for racing that would also see its road-going version manufactured in limited numbers. It was part of Mercedes' ambitious effort to dominate the FIA GT Championship in the late 1990s. But rather than just an ordinary sports car, the CLK GTR became a symbol of luxury, power, and engineering excellence. In the mid-1990s, Mercedes wanted to make a bold statement in motorsports. They needed a car that could compete in the highly competitive FIA GT Championship, and the CLK GTR was their solution. But they didn't just stop at racing. Mercedes-Benz decided to build a road car based on this racing machine, which was unheard of at the time. What followed was the creation of one of the most thrilling and exclusive supercars ever made. The CLK GTR's racing pedigree is at its core. The car made its debut in 1997, and it immediately proved to be a force to be reckoned with. Powered by a 6.9-liter V12 engine, it churned out 600 horsepower and could reach speeds of over 190 miles per hour. It was a true engineering marvel of its time. However, what truly made the CLK GTR so special was its design. Its sleek, aerodynamic body was crafted from lightweight materials like carbon fiber, making it both incredibly fast and agile. The car's unmistakable wide stance, aggressive styling, and low profile made it stand out wherever it went. But behind the wheel, it was more than just an eye-catcher. It was a masterpiece of performance, balance, and handling. Now let's talk about the road version, which remains the most exclusive part of the CLK GTR story. In 1998, Mercedes-Benz built a limited run of just 25 road-going versions, making it one of the rarest cars in the world. It was priced at over $1.5 million, and every detail from the handcrafted interior to the precision-engineered mechanics was designed for the ultimate driving experience. The road car featured the same V12 engine from the race car, but slightly detuned for the street, delivering a still mind-blowing 550 horsepower. Inside, the car was a blend of luxury and performance. It featured leather upholstery, a central console, and a simple yet elegant design, tailored for the needs of the elite few who could afford such an exclusive ride. The CLK GTR was also fitted with advanced technology for the time, including a sophisticated digital dashboard and enhanced suspension systems. But as amazing as the road car was, the true glory of the CLK GTR lay in its racing achievements. The racing version of the car won the 1997 FIA GT Championship in its debut season, showcasing just how successful Mercedes-Benz's entry into the world of motorsports had been. This victory also cemented the car's legacy, making it one of the most successful and well-respected racing machines in history. However, the CLK GTR also marked the end of an era for Mercedes in terms of motorsport. With its high costs and the regulations of the GT series changing, Mercedes-Benz withdrew from the competition after just 1 year, leaving behind a legacy of racing dominance. So, what makes the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR so special today? It's a true icon of automotive history, a car that blended motorsport excellence with road-going luxury. Its limited production, stunning design, and blistering performance make it a highly sought-after collector's item today, with prices reaching millions at auctions. In the end, the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR wasn't just about speed. It was a statement of innovation, luxury, and the pursuit of perfection. And even years after its production, it remains one of the most revered supercars in the world. Thank you for listening, and I hope you now have a deeper appreciation for the extraordinary Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR.